Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're going to look at a Leetcode problem, and the problem's name is number of senior citizens. So in this question, we're given a zero-indexed string array called details, where each element inside the details array provides information about a given passenger compressed into a string of length 15. So each string present inside this array is of length 15, and each of these 15 letters denotes a meaning. The first 10 letters consist of the phone number, the next character denotes the gender, and the following two characters denote the age of that person, and the last two characters determine the seat allotted to that person. Our task is to return the number of passengers who are strictly greater than 60 years old. So we are given three strings inside this details array. Since we have to deal with the age of the passengers, this is the information which is valid for us. So the first 10, the 11th, so the 12th and 13th character represent the age of that person. So this is the age of this person, which is 75, this is 92, and this is 40. Out of these three numbers, only two numbers are greater than 60 years old, that is 75 and 92. That is why we have our answer as 2. So this is a fairly easy problem. We iterate through all the strings, and while processing each string, we take the substring of these two characters. Coming to the function given to us, this is the function name. We are given the string array details, and the output is an integer value representing the number of passengers strictly greater than 60 years. So I create the output variable. I'm going to name it count, which is initially 0. Now let's iterate through the string array details from starting to end. I start from the 0th index and I iterate till the end of the string array details. Now while accessing each string using this iterator, we have to extract the substring from the starting index, that is 11. So we have to take the index positions starting from 11. So it will take 12th and 13th. And when you take the substring, you get a string, and you have to convert that substring into integer value called age. I'll create a variable age. Now inside the string array, we have to take the current string and do substring on it from the index positions 11 and 13. It will get me the string value. Now this is a string value and we are storing it inside an integer. So convert the string value into an integer using the parseInt method. So integer.parseInt, and wrap this inside. Now we have the age of the current passenger. We have to check if it is strictly greater than 60. So if age is strictly greater than 60, then we have to increment the count variable count++. Now this will happen for all the strings present inside this array, and once you come out to the for loop, we have your answer inside this variable count, so return count. Now let's try to run the code. The test cases are being accepted. Let's submit the code, and the solution is accepted. So the time complexity of this approach is big of n, where n is the length of the details array, and the space complexity is big of 1 because we are not using any extra space to solve this question. That's it guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.